Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you Taurus and what's going on. What are the messages for Taurus? What are the messages for Taurus and what's going on? Temperance, Chariot and Eight of Cups. Ace of Cups, Eight of Swords, Devil. Taurus, what's going on? Two of Swords under the deck. Taurus, you are indecisive about something. You have to make decision but you are very indecisive. You are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make. Okay. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Temperance, Chariot and Eight of Cups. You decided to walk away from this connection and maybe it is very painful for you even though you have to make that decision. Because for some it could be your self-respect issue also. Maybe there is no equal give and take, there is no commitment. That's why maybe you are decided to move on from this person and you started moving your life without this person. Cancer, again it is slow moving but you are still moving without this person. And Temperance, you want to restore balance, you want to take your power back and you are totally in your control. You are maybe trying to control yourself from this pain because you walked away. That was past. There was separation. One person is walked away from this connection. I think it could be you. In my perception, energy could be vice versa. Then present, Ace of Cups, Eight of Swords and the Devil. Because you walked away because this person is very toxic for you. Because devil energy is very dark. Maybe they're obsessed with you and they're very dominative. I think there is no commitment. This is a player type energy. This person is very toxic for you. That's why you decided to walk away from this person. You feeling stuck when you are with this person. Maybe your energy is blocking when you are with this person because there is no commitment, there is no equal give and take. You only the person always investing in this connection. That creates so much insecurity, anxiety in you, and that creates stalking, I think blocking energy in you. And Ace of Cups, you started loving yourself, you started self-love, you investing energy in yourself. It is very good for you. Okay, starting it may be difficult for you but once you overcome you will be very fine. Taurus, then future, Page of Swords, Four of Cups and Nine of Swords. Maybe this could be your person thinking about you a lot. Maybe for some you also getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person, Nine of Swords energy, because you're feeling stuck. Still you are trying to love yourself but you are getting a lot of thoughts about them. You are feeling missed opportunity. Maybe they are feeling missed opportunity with you, Four of Cups, and a lot of stalking going between you and your person. Maybe your person spying on you on social media, a lot of stalking. But you are trying to move on from this person but some part of you not. It's really very difficult for you to do, but you are trying to. At least you are trying. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Two of Cups. This love is mutual. Then what? Then why it is happening? So let's see. You both could be soulmates. Soulmates without commitment. Because your person is not committing to you for some. That's why you are feeling like this. Ten of Pentacles. Four of Wands. Yeah. Nine of Swords. I think it's your person. They're missing you. They're thinking about you. They really want to come back. They're taking Knight of Cups. They want to offer their cup of love to you. But again, they are very slow moving energy. Knight of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back and they want this happiness with you. 4 of Wands and 10 of Pentacles, they want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. 10 of Pentacles, stability. They're missing you. I think it's your person. They're spying on you. They're feeling missed opportunity with you because you decided to move on and you did it. Now your person started to come towards you. Their actions. 6 of Swords. Temperance. Sagittarius. I think one person in this connection could be Sagittarius. And 3 of Pentacles under the deck. They really want to work on this relationship. They're coming back to fix the things. There is some communication is coming because 6 of Swords. There is to fix the things. They're coming back. And temperance. They're patiently waiting. They want to restore the balance in this connection. They want reconciliation with you. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And 3 of Pentacles. They really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you and they want collaboration in this connection. And the person involved in this connection, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah. They're ready to offer equal give and take. They're rushing towards you to communicate with you. Because when you walked away, then they started realize your worth. Now they're coming back with the Knight of Cups energy. They really want to offer 6 of Pentacles and they're rushing towards you, communicate with you because they're heartbroken without you. They're feeling lonely without you. Now they're feeling this pain. Taurus. But you stand by your power. Even though you are feeling very lonely without your person, but you are not showing. Too many cards, that's why I'm not taking. Yeah, they're coming back with love. Yeah, see. 4 of Wands. You also want this happiness with your person. For some, you both could be twin flames also. For some, not all. 4 of Wands. Yeah, they want this happiness with you. They're really coming back with King of Cups as King of Cups, and you also want this happiness, this celebration with your person. Taurus. See, Wheel of Fortune, divine timing. Definitely things are turning out in this connection favor. The star under the deck. Hope. You both still hoping for new beginnings with each other. Definitely there is a, I think, hope. Not a hope. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level, but Wheel of Fortune in divine timing. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Taurus. 5 of Swords. There are some disturbances, separation between both of you, cold shouldering. Maybe you treated, maybe they have treated you as an option in past. That's why you walked away due to your self-respect. And 6 of Cups. Maybe this could be soulmate connection. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. You also thinking about them a lot and they're coming back for reconciliation. But for some, you holding back. Temporarily, this is not a permanent. Because you decided to holding back, and that's why you decided to move on from this person, but they're coming back for reconciliation. Then it's up to you to give second chance or not. Taurus. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yeah, 10 of Cups. They really want to have this happy family with you. 2 of Pentacles. They're juggling, but they're coming back with an apology. Maybe your person is immature and they're ready to offer long-term commitment. Ace of Pentacles is here and Page of Wands. Maybe one person is younger than the other person in this connection. There is some communication is coming. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. You are good enough. If you are thinking that you are not good enough, this is the message from universe. You are good enough. Think positively, especially about yourself first. And under the deck, adjustments are required. So if they're coming back in this connection, there will be reconciliation definitely, because in divine timing still there are some adjustments are required. Maybe for some it is regarding to your working area also. So take what resonate, and in this whole reading, which part resonates you, take that part only, not trying to fix everything into reading, because this is general. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.